Hi, this is Holly Duncan, and I'm doing my presentation. I was part of the collaborative learning group, and I was trying to tackle the question, how can I use collaborative learning to help the reluctant learner? So before getting too far into what I found, we need to ask ourselves two questions. What is collaborative learning? It's an educational approach to teaching and learning that involves groups of students working together to solve a problem, complete a task, or create a product. And what is a reluctant learner? Simply defined, it's a student who's not willing or eager to learn. They don't engage in tasks as expected. They could be externalizing, having outward behaviors, causing a problem in the classroom. They could be internalizing, sometimes just looking like they're daydreaming or just not doing what they're supposed to be doing. A lot of times causes are unknown. So that's what a reluctant learner is. What I found through my research was reluctant learners need to feel comfortable before they will engage collaboratively. Technology can be used to help ease the reluctant learner into collaborating. Never underestimate the power of getting to know students and having them learn about each other. The whole idea of team building and having students get to know one another is going to, first of all, minimize behavior problems in the classroom, and second of all, get students to buy into what you're doing. So again, comfort is key. And the other point I wanted to bring up is solving real-world problems will help engage students. Even students that aren't reluctant learners always have that, like, why? Why are we doing this? So if you're solving real-world problems, right there you have the hook. My key takeaways. So my role as an emotional support teacher. I work with students a lot in small groups, 1-to-1, 3-to-1. I also have to work with the curriculum teachers to have them be more accepting of my students, make sure they're following behavior plans. So one of my key takeaways was be sure that I should be teaching other teachers to build up the rapport with students. Collaborative learning or being part of the team is what's expected in real life. So that makes it imperative that we're teaching these skills in schools, and students need to know that. And also there are so many apps and websites that can be used to help students get comfortable working collaboratively. Don't be afraid to vary your approach to the curriculum. And actually, the way we did this project using the Google Plus community, there it is, it's very beautiful, is great because it's not really high stakes. I was able to put up my information kind of on my own time in between being a full-time mom and working full-time. I can put my thoughts onto paper. I could delete my thoughts before I sent them out into cyberspace and even after I sent them out into cyberspace. So things like this, for somebody who's reluctant to put themselves out there, is really a super great approach to helping them get engaged. And then finally, I just wanted to do a little shout out to the rest of my team. Tanya and Justin, they found some really great information and great resources to be used. The website can be accessed by anybody. There's lots of really great resources in there and articles about collaborative learning if that's something you're looking into. So please, by all means, join our group, and thanks so much.